doing the timing chain on my Mark 5 Golf GTI, and I've managed to round off the Cam Adjuster Bolt. It's like, oh, this is a nightmare. So this is the Cam Adjuster Bolt that lives in there. Often these bolts can be a nightmare to come out, and we've seen us hanging off the bar. Some of them are just so tight, like ridiculously tight. On this occasion, you can see attempt 1 actually smashed the bit. Oh, friggin' hell. You're joking, aren't you? What the... The second attempt, I used a different bit and it bent the teeth. So this bolt chewed up both of the bits that I normally use for these jobs, and I do loads of these, so them tools are good tools. They're not cheapy ching chong ones. So a bit gutted about this, but the only solution now is going to have to be to drill and knock the bolt out, and I'll show you how to do that. The worst bit about that bolt is that it's buried deep inside the cam adjuster there, and you can't get any swarf on the inside of here, even if you're going to drill it out, because them oilways need to be kept immaculately clean. It's a double jeopardy job, this, because if you get swarf inside that adjuster, you can completely destroy it, and that's an expensive bit, so we'll have to make sure I seal off them holes before I start drilling. So what I'm going to do is attack the bolt with a 12mm good quality drill bit. It's got to be good quality because this bolt is hardened steel. I can only go about 5-6mm in because of the conical seat on the bolt. If you go in too far, you'll hit the cam, and if you hit the cam, well then it's game over. You need a new exhaust cam. And then after that, I'm going to smash a T60 Torx bit into the center of the 12mm bit. I find that works really good. 12mm and then smash the T60 in. It should crack off. Let's see if I can do it. Right, took a fair bit of drilling that, but let's now see if I can smash this T60 socket into it. That socket's really secure. That combination of 12mm and then literally bash that T60 socket, get it right in. It's got to go in at least 4 or 5mm. That socket's solid now. Let's get a bar on it, see if I can crack it off. Wish us luck. Woohoo! I'm so happy that worked, honestly. It's never failed as yet, but you still just like, it's nothing worse than a rounded or snap bolt, especially where it is there now. It's a nightmare place. And there we go. That's it. Torx bit, smashed into it. Boosh. Well, it's a shame it happens, but it does happen. That's the second time that's happened for me. Both on black Mark 5 Golf GTIs. Cannot believe the bad luck. I knew it had to happen on my car. It's always the same. As soon as you go to try and record something you've done a million times, it's all going to go wrong. But hopefully this one helps you. If it does, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Right, that's it. It's enough. I've had enough for the day. Sorry, I'm going home. I can't take this.